everything that's expected for mortgage rates in
Yep.
2024.
And they're coming down. I mean,
They are.
even just a couple months ago, they weren't predicting that to be coming down as much as they are. But the rates are right around 6.5 to up to 7 right now, and they're predicted to keep coming down as inflation eases up. And then there's a Fed meeting towards the end of this month, I think, next Wednesday, I believe, and we'll see what comes out of that. They're probably going to leave rates where they are right now, but then there's another meeting in mid-March, and I'm thinking they're going to drop interest rates at least a quarter basis point then, and then probably continue to at least 2 or 3 more times throughout the year. So I think we're going to see
And
rates continue to come down.
what rates are doing and have
Yeah.
been doing has been one of the biggest driving factors for activity in the real estate market. And when rates jumped up and to most people looked to have skyrocketed from the abnormal rates that we've seen over the last several years, it really scared a lot of people. And so a lot of buyers pulled back and decided to wait. A lot of sellers then, seeing that the buyer pool had drastically reduced, also then decided to wait. So every time we see them come down, even just a little bit, and we've been seeing, like mid sixes, upper sixes, some low sevens, but mid sixes, it's made a big difference. We've already started seeing a lot more activity in the market, and we're going to continue to see that as the rates do come down this year.
Yeah, and they're predicting by the end of the year to see something in the fives, probably upper fives, but still in the fives, and that does a huge thing psychologically to people to be back in the fives again. So I think it's going to be a pretty good year, just as inflation continues to come down and rates come down as well.
Yeah, and we're going to continue to see appreciation when it comes to home prices, not at crazy rates, but they're expecting maybe 5% this year in appreciation. And as we continue to see home prices go up, rates come down a little bit, that urgency is going to be instilled back into the market. And it's a great opportunity for you as agents to, really be doing a lot right now, so that when those people are ready to get off the fence and when they, start realizing that the time to buy is now, this is going to be a very active, very busy year for you as agents. So be ready.